Hello everyone. Today we want to do an experiment using this Bibang microscope. It's a really nice microscope, and the reason we want to do this is because it's kind of difficult to use the eyepiece here, especially for kids. So I want to show how by using a typical iPhone camera we can do this. Obviously, some of the iPhone models like this, it has like multiple cameras like this, you can see. So it's very important to do this camera lock first, because for example, when you record the video, if you want to record, it's gonna basically switch between the cameras, which is not what we want, because the iPhone operating system automatically switch between these cameras on the phone. So in order to do this, we need to go to the system setting first, and we go to the camera, and then we go to the record video section here, and we make sure that this lock camera is on. So just make sure it's on, so it won't switch between the cameras this way. Here is to choose the right image or video capturing mode. So obviously we're gonna use time-lapse here. So we're gonna show how to secure the camera right now in front of the eyepiece here. So as you can see, the camera is set on the time-lapse. I am going to secure it like this, first of all, and then you can actually adjust it a little bit here. The idea here is to use this very camera, because this is basically what's used for close object capturing. This is if you look at the camera or the iPhone from here, that's on the bottom left. So we've already have set up our microscope, but I'm gonna show you how. I have a leg of honeybee as our first object that we want to watch here. So we put it right over here on this hole. There are so many videos on YouTube to show you how you can get a much better accuracy in terms of like how to watch these objects. But right now, if you bring the camera here, we almost have this there right now, and what we need to do is to do some fine adjustment. As you can see, I am adjusting the distance between the microscope lens and the object of interest, which is right here. So it shows pretty nicely so far. Now, the other thing what we need to do here is that we make sure that is properly adjusted. This is a little bit of maybe taking some time to do that, but once it's done, it will be in pretty good shape. So as a matter of fact, I've enabled image mirror or iPhone mirroring on our TV here. So you can see I have a pretty nice view of this object, which is the leg of the honeybee. So I'm gonna actually move it a little bit farther back here. It's exactly like your eye watching the microscope eyepiece. So let me just go a little bit further back, but obviously we need to adjust this properly again. Doing some more adjustments. I have managed to do this properly by securing my iPhone using this table mount, and properly place the camera like your eye right in front of the eyepiece. So right now I have a pretty decent view of the object under the microscope. So you can see here how it looks like. I do a little bit of more zoom, and now what I'm gonna try to do is to move the object a little bit in order to explore more of the honeybee leg like this. So this is basically showing how conveniently you can use your iPhone and mirroring that image to your TV and be able to watch these wonderful images from different objects in real time. So for example, right now, I'm gonna change this into perhaps this one is human blood smear. So that's interesting. So let's put that on here. Let's go live here. Like this. Okay, I'm going to adjust it. All right, it's coming up like that. You see how nicely I need to do some fine tuning for focusing the lens. Yeah, there you go. This is a nice view right now from this blood sample that we have here on your TV.